Hello. Say hello to the camera, Samuel. It's 5 o'clock. Can you believe that?
What scrunched up face he's got.
He has not. He's beautiful.
Women in need.
Yawn.
Did he yawn?
Yeah.
If you could see the couples that come into my office, their pain and frustration.
It's Mummy's little boy and Daddy's little boy.
This is an FDA hearing, not the telephone.
Aren't you?
We have all the information.
Hours worth of feeding. He's a hungry big lad.
Now he's all tired out. And I am too. Aren't we? Are we tired out?
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Look at our little boy. You're gorgeous.
Oh, you smell so gorgeous. Oh, yeah, you're beautiful. Nanny, I love your little outfit. Nanny and Grandad. Won't they? Look, Daddy bought a nice little outfit. And Granny Gillespie will love your little star outfit. When she sees you, won't she? And Jim.
You might want to say,
Grandad Jim.
Busy, Angela.
well, I'm pregnant, Larry.
Really?
Oh.
Sleeping now?
He's always sleeping, that's all he does.